Hello everybody, this is Devesh Gupta from Adage India and I have KB Sridhar, Pops with me. Hi Pops, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. So how things at Goa Fest? When did you come?
I came in this evening.
Okay,
I missed out on yesterday.
okay,
So I had lots of fun today.
okay.
And added to that, I had watched a month something.
Right.
Which is good.
Right.
I'm also excited.
Right.
Another excuse to drink along with that.
Right. So how's the energy you're finding at Goa Fest this time?
Very good, very good. Wherever there are young people, there will always be an idea.
Moreover, you are a regular visitor to Goa Fest. So what difference you see, since the time you came here for the first time and now?
See, when you change and the sponsor has changed,
Right.
but doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
What is constant and what keeps people excited is new campaigns, new ideas, and next generation of stars coming in, and that's what is very exciting. And that keeps changing year on year.
So what new you see this time? Did you notice something new?
I think more categories have been added. I think two meaningful categories which has been added. One is the young achievers. They are sending it to camp. They run a contest for young athletes,
Okay.
which is very good. And they're also running for the first time special awards for gender sensitivity, which is again very powerful and meaningful.
Right.
So these are the new things, and I guess the festival is becoming bigger and better. You see a lot of marketers. You've seen not just all kinds of vertical guys coming, which is how it should be.
Right.
What started as print and television,
Right.
which has become very small now.
Right.
And then you see media, activation,
Right.
all other things for the industry. Which is a reflection of how the industry is changing, and along with the industry, how we as communication communities.
Pops, you travel across the world, you attend awards, you attend forums, So if you have to rate Goa Fest, as compared to, some of the festivals that happen abroad, like let's say Cannes, Adfest, and other festivals. So how would you say, where does Goa Fest stand?
Goa Fest, in terms of venue, in terms of work, all that organization is absolutely nothing to find fault with. If at all anything, it is industry, politics, and those 5-6 agencies not participating. If you were to leave that, then everything has been perfect. In fact, you will not see this kind of a strength that in can, whether it is one show or whether it is New York Festival, or you take any show, even the it's not as well attended as it should be. So it is 2,000 people across 3 days. Right. It's awesome. Right. At one point in time, people used to come to the beach and run renting. Right. And then today that has gone. Very nice to see people indoors.
Right.
And then sitting for seminars. So
If you have to describe it in one line, Goa Fest, how would you say that?
it's awesome, this energy you will not see anywhere. I think right from the beginning, what gave energy